This is the second part of my video, how to answer profit, loss and discount related questions. In my previous video, I have given some important formulas and also solved few questions. In this video, we will learn some new formulas and solve some more questions. So this is formula number 1. By selling an article for rupees A, some loss is incurred, and by selling it for rupees B, there is a gain equal to the loss amount. Then CP is equal to, that is cost price, is equal to rupees bracket A plus B divided by 2. Here we have to understand that the gain amount and the loss amount is same, but the selling price of two different articles is different. So to find the cost price, we have to use this formula. This is formula number 2. If the selling price of an article is A and is equal to the cost price of B article, then gain percentage and loss percentage is given by B minus A divided by A whole into 100. This is the answer will be in the form of percentage. So here we have to understand that the selling price of an article A is equal to the cost price of B article. In such case, to find the gain percentage or the loss percentage, we have to use this formula. In the above formula, the selling price is same. We are trying to find the cost price. Here, the selling price and cost price of two different articles is same. We are trying to find out the gain percentage and the loss percentage. As you can understand, if B is greater than A, then it is a gain, and if A is greater than B, then it is a loss. This is formula number 3. If the cost price of an article is B and selling price of B article is A, then net gain percentage or loss percentage is A square minus B square divided by B square whole into 100. If A is more than B, then it is a gain. If B is more than A, then it is a loss. So here the cost price is B and selling price is A. That's how if B is greater than A, if the cost price is greater than A, it is a loss. And if the selling price is greater than cost price, then it is a gain. So the formula is A square, which is selling price square, minus cost price square divided by cost price square into 100. This is to find out the net gain or net loss percentage. When an article is sold, it gains A percentage. If it is sold for rupees X more, then gain is B percent. So when an article is sold for some amount, then the gain percentage is A percentage. If some more amount is added to the selling price, then the gain percentage is B percentage. So what is the cost price of the article? So in such a scenario, the cost price of an article is X divided by B minus A into 100. Okay. This is the fifth formula. When an article is sold, it loses 0%, and if it is sold for rupees X more, then it gains B percentage. What is the cost price of the article? So it is a similar formula, X divided by B plus A into 100. The difference between the previous formula and the present formula is in the sign. This is question number 1. By selling an article for rupees 50, some loss is incurred, and by selling it for rupees 100, then there is an equal amount of gain. So find the cost price. So in such a scenario, the formula used is cost price is equal to A plus B divided by 2. So A is 50, B is 100, 50 plus 100 is 150, 150 divided by 2 is 75. So the cost price is 75. So the easiest way of handling these problems is to remember the formulas. Different scenarios, different formulas. It is better to remember the formulas. Question number 2. The selling price of 24 articles is equal to cost price of 20 articles. Then find the loss percentage. So in such a scenario, the loss percentage is B minus A divided by A into 100. So B is 24, A is 20, 24, 20. divided by 20 into 100, which is 4 divided by 20 into 100. The final answer is 20%. Answer is none of the above. So 20, because 20% is not there. You should never hesitate to answer as none of the above or all of the above. There would be questions where the answer is all of the above, and there would also be questions where the answer is none of the above. You should not start thinking, no, it must be 16, 15, 25%. It can also be none of the above. Many more questions and answers will be uploaded very soon. Part 3 of the same concept, profit, loss, and discount, is coming up. Next video will be all about discount calculation. So for more videos, like and subscribe. Thank you.